Would it be a good idea to copy every listing from an existing store to my own? I'm looking at a store with 10k total sales with daily sales and it's almost all dropshipped. Yeah, this is a very common method of actually doing it, yeah. How many listings can I get added daily on a new store without getting suspended? How many listings can I add daily on a new store without getting suspended? I would typically recommend 1 maximum. Opinions on print on demand. I think print on demand can work very well if you find the right niche. But it's just not as consistent as like the just dropshipping model. It's just not, because it's so easy for someone else to come along and just steal your products, steal your designs. And I've seen this happen 1,000,001 times. There are people inside of Etsy Kings that do print on demand, POD, and they make less margins as well. They make 20%. Obviously, 20% still good if you're doing a good amount of revenue. But I personally don't like actually advocate or recommend it. I'm on a final warning for repeat intellectual infringement on one of my stores. How worried should I be? Very worried, bro. You're on your final fucking warning. What do you mean? How easy is it to automate Etsy? I currently have another business that I'm working on automating, but we'll look into buying a course in the next 2 to 3 months. Bro, it's I would say it's easier than any other business to automate. If you do it correct, it's hard to say exactly. Like, it's definitely possible, and because of the way it's so consistent and the products are evergreen, if you do it correctly, if you do everything correctly, it works incredibly well, and it's easy to just like outsource tasks and to automate it, like 97% automated. Not sure whether John meant a new money or Etsy Kings. I would definitely say if you're thinking of new money or Etsy Kings, it kind of depends what you want, right? Like, if you would prefer, like, if you want to get your money up and you want to learn ecom, you want to learn Etsy, then obviously Etsy Kings, that's literally all we do. We have networking abilities as well, networking things, we have in-person events, but then also New Money's super good. So I joined New Money when I already had money, like I was already earning a very nice amount, and that helped me a lot. So it's kind of completely up to you, but if you want to learn Etsy, you join Etsy Kings, because the information side of Etsy Kings is shared nowhere else. How do you run Etsy ads as a beginner for a new store? So now they've released a new thing in the past 2 weeks where you have to wait 14 days before you start running Etsy advertising. But basically, you don't have to worry about it too much. Basically, it's just you go to the Etsy store dashboard, you click marketing, then you click Etsy ads. Super simple. You just start running $5 a day.